Welcome to our tutorial on simulation training for crane operators. In this video, we'll explore into the world of simulation training and its important impact on operator performance. We will also uncover the functionality of crane simulators through a replica of a real workstation. Let's begin by exploring the capabilities of the crane simulator. This system is composed by 7 screens, creating an immersive real experience that emulates a real crane control station. The control station features 2 critical components for effective crane operations. The left-hand joystick allows operators to control the crane lateral movement, enabling precise right, left, forward and backward motion. Simultaneously, the right-hand joystick plays a role in raising and lowering the spreader. The spreader is the device for loading and unloading the containers from ship and trucks. So, one of the main features is the ability to analyze and detect operators' performance. While monitoring action and errors, it provides valuable feedbacks. This enables the performance evaluation. The simulator generates a movement curve for the spreader. It helps in the assessment of operator productivity. With this cutting-edge technology, crane operators can practice in a risk-free environment before operating a real crane. The simulator ensures that they are well prepared to handle the intricate tasks and movements required in the fields. 3 key benefits: objective assessment of skill gaps and adaptable training programs for port terminals. Highly effective and cost-efficient skill transmission through simulation-based training. Practical experience in a secure environment, combining theoretical knowledge with simulated scenarios. We observe a clear impact of simulation in these areas. Productivity boost through enhanced efficiency and cost saving. Improved safety by reducing the risk of accident and errors. Cost reduction by decreasing machine wear, enhancing safety and improving training efficiency. Mitigation of environmental impact by allowing operators to practice risky operations without real-world consequences. To identify critical elements in crane operator performance during the simulation experience, we use biometric tools for measuring cognitive and vital parameters. Emotive, an EEG measure tool for the analysis of cognitive parameters such as stress, engagement, attention, excitement, interest, and relaxation. Smartwatch with electromedical sensors for the analysis of vital parameters such as heart rate, heart frequency, blood pressure, oxygen saturation. These tools play a fundamental role in assessing and improving the overall well-being and performance of crane operators. In conclusion, the real advantage of simulation is the possibility to integrate cutting-edge technology and biometric tools, ensuring operators' proficiency, safety, and well-being.